My name is Brian, and I was around the age of 14 when this happened. I lived in a very rural part of the outside of Nashville, so my house is basically in the middle of nowhere. One day, I was told that my parents would be going out into the city that night for their 25th anniversary for dinner. I was very excited that I would have the whole house to myself, and whenever my parents would go out, they would usually be gone for a long time, and I could really use the quiet. They left the house at around 7, and I just decided to play some video games and watch some TV and later maybe make some dinner. For the first couple of hours, everything went okay. I played a few video games, watched some TV, and mostly just kept to myself. At around 9:30, I was watching a scary movie, and it was getting to a good scene when I heard a knock at the door. I rolled my eyes and paused the movie, but I was also confused that someone would be knocking on our door this late in practically the middle of nowhere. I opened the door to see a man I'd say in his 30s dressed in a Pizza Hut uniform holding a large pizza in his hands. He said, "Hey there buddy, I got a large pepperoni pizza for the Sanders." I was confused as to why he was here and how he knew my family's last name, which is Sanders. I told him, hey, I didn't order any pizza." He said that someone from my address ordered it online. I asked him for his name and he said it was Joseph. I said thanks and took the pizza from him, and he told me to have a nice night. As he was leaving though, I noticed something very strange. I didn't see a car in our driveway, so I was wondering how he got here. I didn't pay too much attention, so I put the pizza down and called my mom to ask if she had placed the order. She said that she didn't order any pizza for me. Now I was kinda getting freaked out. I went out my front door trying to look for the delivery guy, but he was nowhere to be found. I then called Pizza Hut asking if they had delivered any pizza to my address. They told me to stay on the line while they checked, and they said, "Sorry, our records don't show that we delivered the pizza to your address." I told them thanks and hung up. I was very suspicious at this point and decided not to eat the pizza and that I would deal with it when my parents got home. I just went to my room and continued to play my games when I heard a slight knock on my window. I opened the blinds and saw the same pizza guy standing there with a wide smile. His eyes were crazy and wild, and he just stood there staring. I closed my blinds and immediately went to the kitchen to call police, and they said they would have a cop there in 15 minutes. I waited for what felt like hours until they finally came and took my statement. I gave them a description of the man, but they never found him, and I still have no idea as to what his intentions were. But I do know one thing. He was definitely not just planning on delivering me pizza.